This is Nikhil from Dubai, and we have recorded one weekly preview last week. I hope it added some value to your trading. This week's the text format is already there on the website, so let's begin with the video. And the first instrument to be recorded is DXY. We are already on the DXY chart. Moving to the monthly time frame and making it to a line chart. On the line chart, let's mark the important support and resistance levels. Number one, and the next comes there. After that, this is the one. Switching to now weekly. Weekly, we no need to mark the levels and making it to the candle starting. Okay. Now, this was the swing high using the fib retracement tool, taking it from the swing high to the swing low and checking the levels. 23 already passed, 38 already passed. Next level is 58% retracement, which is 96.08, and it coincides exactly with the marked zone. So we can say this is the area highlighted. Okay. The next plus what has happened? 94.46, 94.5. As mentioned in the last weekly preview, it was the resistance broken now. If I zoom in, check. This was the resistance mentioned in the last week's video. It has been broken and broken with a momentum, a super bullish candle. Let's check on daily. Daily is finding some resistance around 95.2. Okay, but we do not have any signs against. Let's mark the trend. This is the trend. So what's the plan? The plan is we have no signs against the bullish trend. If from the current resistance level it gives a pullback back to this area, which is the rising trend line support plus the horizontal support. So it will have a retest of 94.5 and continue to 96.05, 96.10 to this area. Got it? This is the plan for DXY. Now let's go to XAU USD. XAU USD. Clearing all the lines. Going to monthly. See what has happened on the monthly. This was the lowest point on MACD histograms. And now this is the new low point on MACD histogram. What we have got is hidden bullish diversions. If you guys are wondering what is hidden bullish divergence, check my YouTube tutorial videos or go to my website, register for the courses. You will get to know all the concepts which I use in my technical analysis. Now, this resistance mark prior to that support. Done. I'm just removing this arrow. Perfectly broken 1830 resistance. We are on the weekly and the falling trend line. Broken with the momentum. What is coming up next? This area. This is the previous swing high. We want to check the exact level. Convert to line. Okay. Going back to candles chart. So this area around 1900 to 1910 is the next level. It may, and I'm zooming in to make it more clear. So what may happen now? It may go directly to this area, then make a retest of this area, which is the current zone. 1868 is also the resistance zone, number one. Number two, if we check on the daily, it may get into pullback, make a retest of this area, 1830. Now, 1830 is a very crucial level because it acted as a resistance multiple times in the recent past. Number one, number two, number three, four, five, and number of times. It has acted as resistance and support both. Okay. Plus, if we mark the rising trend line, not this one, back to weekly. Going to candle chart again. Yeah. So now this will act as the support. Got it. So this area is the area of support now. Okay. From 1870 to 1830. If we retest, and it works as a support, then you can target the next level, which is 1902, 1905, 1910. It's always a zone, not a fixed level. And once you break above this with a bullish momentum, make a retest of 1900 area, the support, then we can look for the higher levels. Got it. Weekly, I'm just checking the levels as per fill extension. Where extension. As per fill extension, 1879. Then next comes 1922 and 1976. 200% is 2000 level. Let's target this line first, which is 1900. So 1879 to 1900. It's bullish now, definitely bullish. We do not have anything against. Okay. Now moving on to crude oil, which is US oil. Okay. As per monthly, we do not have any signs against as of now. Okay. The only thing is RSI has come to the extreme level, which is near to the overbought zone. But on the MACD, we do not have anything against. Also, let's mark the support and the resistance. This swing high, which is around 74, 75. It was broken and what's going on now? This is the falling trend line on the monthly chart, and we are facing some resistance around this area. This is the support 75, and this area around 85 is facing some resistance, maybe due to this falling trend line. Let's go to weekly. Weekly is definitely facing resistance here. Okay, and one more point to be noted on the weekly is the bearish divergence on the RSI. Not yet confirmed on MACD line, but definitely on MACD histogram. So bearish divergence means a slowdown in the momentum. We do not have a new low, or it has not broken the previous support. So I can't say it has turned good and bearish, but definitely it's under slowdown due to the bearish divergence on the weekly. But on daily, I'm removing these lines on the MACD and RSI. On the daily, we do not have any signs for the bearish formation. Check this line in the latest line. Let's mark that. H1. So this will be H1. Next I H2. Got it. And check the corresponding height on the MACD. It's also going high, the H1 point and H2. So there is no bearish divergence on the daily time frame. So what may happen? It may form hidden bullish divergence and continue higher. So it may make a retest, complete the hidden bullish, and then continue higher. Scenario 1. And if it breaks this area, then the bullish view will be invalidated. If it breaks the support area, then we are out of the bullish scenario. Got it? Like this. Let's check the H1. Let me remove the arrows. H1 is definitely getting some sort of bullish divergence here. See, the price is making lower lows, but RSI has already made a higher number one. Number two, a clear bullish divergence on MACD histogram as well as movements. So the bearish pressure is over and it's making way for the next bullish move. Now, how do we confirm it? Once it breaks this white candle and the midpoint of the bullish divergence, then we can definitely go in for some buy trades. Let it come up, hold this point as support, which is 81.5, and then we can target to the recent high, which is at least 84.7 or 85, or maybe further. Okay. And now we have the last one coming up, which is Nifty. I'm taking this one, the Nifty futures on the Singapore exchange, the current contract. Starting with the monthly, clearing of the chart. See, do we have anything against the bullish trend on the monthly? Nothing. Everything is pointing higher. The MACD lines, the histogram, the price movement, everything is bullish on the monthly. No signs against. From the previous trend low that we check, the pip extension fifth extension 61.8. The area to be reached is this, around number 19,000. Let's go to weekly. Weekly, the RSI is definitely is in the overbought territory. Number two, it's making bearish divergence. Check. Equal highs on RSI, whereas the price has made a higher. Number two, the MACD histogram shrinking down. So bearish divergence confirmed. Number three, MACD lines. Bearish divergence coming up. Let's check on daily. Daily has not made any new low as of now. High, higher high, a lower high, but it has not broken this area, which was the previous low point. This area, which is 17,667, it has acted as resistance then support in the recent past. So it's a crucial area. And until it breaks below, I can't say that it has turned bearish. Once it breaks below, then make a retest. This will be the condition for bearish view. Otherwise, let it move higher and go to 19,000 feet. The MACD signals are shrinking upwards. The lines are again getting bullish. On our side, it's pointing higher. So daily is not at all bearish. The 4 hour is, I'm just removing all the lines to make the chart clear. Falling trend when broken, made a retest, and retest was with a bullish candle. See, then bullish momentum built up. Now we are near this resistance, which is around 18,180 or 18,200. Once broken, let it move higher. It will move higher to 18,500 and ultimately to 19,000. Okay, I hope you find this week's weekly preview recording useful too. And subscribe to my channel, like it, go to my website, check my courses. How do I use the different formats of web tools? Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.